Hi, Crafty Friends. It's Sylvia. How's everyone doing today? Here in Texas, it is super hot. It's in the 90s. Well, anyway, guys, very exciting. Today we're going to do a sneak peek. Yay! It's actually from a new company to me, and she reached out to me. Her name is Jennie. She reached out to me and she said if I would do an unboxing. And of course I said yes. She's, like I said, she just started her own company, her own diamond painting company. And all the images are designed by her. Okay? Now, here it is. This is the box it came in, and DiamondKissXO. Pretty cool, right? Anyway, so here, let's see if I can show you. But here is the name of the painting is Love is All We Need. Okay, so I'm just gonna open this up. Okay, let's get the beautiful painting out. Okay. So, as you can see, it comes in a plastic bag to protect it while it's traveling. And I guess that's the sticker. And over here it says, thank you for supporting my small business. Okay, so let's open this baby up. I believe this is a square. And I think this also comes in a round. But she sent me a square. Okay, and it says, Sylvia, thank you for featuring my canvas on your channel. I love your videos, Jennie. Oh, thank you, Jennie. All right. This is it is a sticker, so you could actually put this in your logbook. Oops. Oh, here, sorry. In your logbook. It says, love is all we need. It is a square. And the artist, like I said, is DiamondKissXO, which is Jennie. All right. Let's open this baby up. Now, the canvas is very soft, sort of, it's like a lint canvas. And very velvety, so that's nice. As you can see, it also has scallop edges and also has stitching, and that's to prevent from fraying. Okay, which is nice. Oh, let's get the drills. Anything else in here? Yep. So we've got the sticker and more drills, I think. Oh no, this is the toolkit. Oh, pretty cool. So let's put that aside and let's look at the big sticker. Wow, this is nice, guys. This is actually to go in your logbook. Let's see, does this peel here? It does, but I don't want to peel it. Okay, so you could actually also cut it. As you can see, this is just a big sticker. So it says, love is all we need. It's a square. You put your start date and the end date. And what I like, look at this, you could write down comments at the bottom. Okay, and of course, these are the colors. And it's, let's see. Yeah, these are individual, also pre-cut stickers, so you could put these in your containers, which is cool. All right, so let's move that aside and let's look at the toolkit. Look how pretty this is. Now this is her QR code, and if you scan this, it will basically, you can contact her through scanning this QR code. So if you and this basically connects her to all her social media. If you just want to say hi, or if you want to give her some feedback, why not, right? So let's open this baby up. Oh no, let me use my little scissors. Okay, so pretty, the bag. Okay. All right, let's see what comes in here. Ooh. This is so pretty. I love it. Okay. So we have a tray, okay. We have a pen, and it comes with a comfort grip. You're supposed to slide this for comfort when you're using the pen. Sometimes it slides. Oh, there you go. Okay. And this is a single placer, so you can only pick one drill at a time with that one, but I believe she also sends you, I think this is a 3 placer, and I think this is a 7 or a 9 placer. So which is pretty cool. She also sends you tweezers, very, very sharp, so be careful. And you get some wax. Okay, you get, so it looks like you get round red wax and some, I guess, extra wax. Oh, wait a minute, what's this here? Oh, this is another placer. So you get 3 placers plus the single placer. Wow. And then you have some baggies here, just in case you want to use them for your drills. Okay. And of course, let's not forget the washi tape. Look how pretty it is. and the cover minder. It's a beautiful sunflower. Who doesn't like sunflowers? And cover minder is basically a magnet. So when all the paintings have a plastic covering, you peel the plastic covering back, you put the beautiful sunflower on top of the plastic, the magnet underneath the canvas, and it, let's turn it the other way, and it snaps and it holds the plastic back so you can diamond paint. All right, let's put all that aside for now. And these are the drills. We're gonna look at the drills. As you can see, the paper is inside. Okay, but let's look at the canvas first. All right, wow. Oh, wait, there's something else in here. Okay. It says, Sylvia, thank you. All images are legally licensed, hand-rendered, and hand-packaged by me. I create and design every image that you see. The best part of it all, your kit is ready to be worked on straight out of the package. I am all about stress-free kitting up. Yes. So like I said, this is basically everything that's in the kit. Now, what I didn't tell you, and I was going to tell you, but it's here already, that it looks like the drills for the square kits are resin, which is good, and for the round kits are acrylic. And what's so cool is that she basically she hand cuts the dryer sheets and she places them in each of the bags to help us with the kitting process and to help us because I mean, who likes static? No one does, right? Especially I dislike static. So this is great that she does that. Very nice of her. And if you're new to diamond painting, here's how to do it. Welcome to an addictive hobby. So true. I like this. Poke your pen into the wax, the pink stuff. Pick up the drills with your pen. Peel the clear plastic off the canvas, just a little section at a time. Place the drill on the canvas. Upcoming changes. All right, so yeah, so you scan, you can also scan it here. Scan the QR code to follow me. Packaging, this is a new company and I am figuring out what works. Keep on painting, Jennie. Wow, this is wonderful, Jennie. I love this. This really comes in handy, guys. All that information. Okay, now we're going to unroll the beauty. Okay, so it is port glue, so I can do this. I love the message, guys. Yeah, I'm so happy she sent me this one. Love is all we need. So let me just push this glare back because we need the lighting, but we don't need the glare. Is that better? Yeah. Does it fit in there? Okay, there. So let's look at the bottom. Actually, let's look at the top, right? On the top is her logo, which is, I love it. It's some lips and, oh, a pair of lips, right? DiamondKissXO. And then on the top here, on the left-hand side, has a picture, love is all we need. Love is all we need, and it tells you it's a square. The artist, of course, is Jennie, which is DiamondKissXO. And the size of this painting is 48.3 centimeters by 48.3 centimeters, which is 19 inches by 19 inches. And it tells you how many drills there are, 36,000 square drills. All right, now the other cool thing that I forgot to mention is, I know that a lot of people, I might as well just tell you right now, a lot of people love their fairy dust diamonds. Well, guess what? This painting, 100% are all fairy dust diamonds. Yeah. Isn't that awesome? Okay, so over here, again, you have the picture. Here is your legend. I believe there's two legends. So you have one legend up here on the top, and it looks like it's in A through I, the letters, and then the numbers are in the middle, 1 through 9, and this is the DMC code. Okay, now I'm looking at the canvas. In the canvas, so these are the letters are what you're going to find. The symbols of the letters are what you're going to find in the painting. So that's where you're going to place your drills. Okay, and then the other great thing is if you turn this baby around, the other legend is on the bottom, just in case if you want to move around, because some people like to do that. They like to move around their painting while they're working, so you could actually read the legend. So this is what you call a reversible legend, which is cool. I know. And then on the side over here, it says use code DiamondKiss10 to receive a 10% off your next order, which is nice. And it has it also over here. Okay. And then in the bottom, this is her slogan. Keep on painting. That's right. Keep on painting, guys. All right. So let's see. Just checking how sticky it is. Ooh, very, very sticky. It's very, very clear. I'm going to bring it up so you can see it. I don't know if you can see that. But it says in big letters, love is all we need. So true, guys. I just love all the colors. So you have some blue up here, some red. Okay, some blue up here, some red, some purple, some orange, a big chunk here of blue, like a navy blue, green. And this is like a yellow, sort of like a yellow green, more like a yellow. And then I love that the letters are very big, and also the color, the black color around the letters, it's sort of like a bold. It's thick, which I like that. When you place the drills, that helps out. All right, guys, I love it. Okay, so let's put this aside for now, and let's look at the drills. Now, like I said, the drills are 100% fairy dust diamonds. Now, not all her paintings are like that. I believe that her thing is a lot of her paintings are going to have either 50 through 100%, well, 50 to 100% special drills. So this one is just fairy dust, but you might have another one that's 100% crystals. I don't know. All right. So as you can see, I think these are in order. Let's just take out the colors. I love there's only, what, 9 colors? Yeah. Yeah, 9 colors. All right, let's put that there. So let's look at the colors. Oh, here you have another. Let's see. Another paper, just in case. Let's see your work. Tag me. Okay. Now, I don't know. The box says 3,600, but this one, and the canvas says 3,600, but this here says 3,100 square diamonds. All right. All right. I like this, that she actually has the name of the colors here. That's cool. Wow. She thought of everything, Jenny. Jenny, you thought of everything. All right. Let's see. Let's put these in order, right? So this is going to be, I believe, the first one, right? 208. Let's see. 606. 740. Okay, can you see that? 820. 704. Oh, wait a minute. 704. Where's 704? Oh, right here. Okay. 445, 445, right here. 28, 28. Oh no, I'm sorry, I'm looking at the wrong. It's this one, 3371, 3371, which is this one. 995 and 995. Did I miss one? Oh, 820. Oh, there's 2 bags of 820. Let's move this down here. Let's just slide it down here. Can you see that? And of course the 5200. All right. So I'm going to tell you the colors. I'm just going to slide it down a little bit more. Okay, so this is good, guys. This basically tells you that this one is 208, which is lavender dark or lavender very dark. And it tells you how many drills are in the bag. 45 or 4,511 drills. All right. And then this one is 606, which is burnt orange red. This one is 740, which is tangerine. Very pretty. This one is 820, so you have 2 bags of 820, and that's royal blue, very dark. This one's 704, which is chartreuse bright. Actually, we need the light for this, right? Oh, yeah, I forgot about that, guys. I'm sorry. I apologize. This is 445, which is lemon light. This one is 3371, which is black brown. Okay. If you look at it, the black brown looks like has like a gold mica on top of it, which is cool. This is probably going to be around the letters. And this is 995, which is electric blue dark. And of course, 5200 Snow White. All right. Okay, let's put that aside. And I might open one of these. Let's open one of these. Why not? Let's open the, oh yeah, like I mentioned, look, they all have dryer sheet inside, which is very nice of her to do that for us, right? Let's see. Let's get a tray if I can find one. I guess we could use this one. Actually, we should really use a white one so we can see better, but it's, I'm just going to have to use this one because I don't know. I have no idea where my other trays are right now. Okay. So we can see them. Oh, yeah. See the dryer sheet. Can you imagine she did this all by herself? Can you see the mica? I don't know if you can. It's so dark in here. I don't know why. So cool. So cool. All right. Let's put these back in here. I love that there's no static. Okay, so now we're going to put all these over here on the side. And bring back the painting. And as you can see, I mean, obviously you know where all the colors go, but the around the letters is that it's gonna be that black one. It's a black brown. So it's really gonna stand out, pop out, which is gonna be beautiful. So guys, yeah, go check it out. Of course, the glare again, sorry. Go check her out. And thank you again, Jennie, for giving me this opportunity for this beautiful painting. And I hope everyone has a wonderful rest of the week. Bye-bye.